I'm gonna be absolutely wired in this video because I'm drinking a Monster and I haven't had any lunch yet, so this is just straight caffeine. Coming out to the ride as always. Look at this thing. Filthy, filthy, filthy. Drove it in the rain the other day. Just completely wrecked everything. I need a nice buff job again. You know, Adam, maybe you can hook me up again, bro. Or whoever else wants to hook me up with a nice buff job. I'll buy you food, whatever, we can work a deal out. But I need to get this paint back to where it was a few videos back, where I put the lip on. Super nice out. Got the sun out. It's a solid like 70 degrees right now. I feel like I'm in like California. But anyways, we're gonna go out for a nice little rip. I'm gonna possibly take this thing to the car wash. So wanted to update you guys on the valve adjustment job that I did. This thing, even on a cold idle, runs way smoother than it did, honestly. So everything is pretty much where it's supposed to be right now. So I feel like I said before, a few valves are off, but that's all taken care of now. Unfortunately, I think I have 2 front wheel bearings going on both sides, so I'm gonna have to do that, which is gonna be a pain. The fronts are hard because you actually have to press them out, whereas the rears, they come with a whole like new assembly. Other thing is, I have emissions testing coming up on the 3rd of this month, or next month. That's gonna be tough. I think I'm gonna have to flash the car back to stock equivalent for the ECU. I don't know if the tune or the base map will mess with any emissions regulation devices and anything, so that should be interesting. Definitely stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna make a video. So if you guys don't know, I do have the catless Skunk 2 alpha header. Just need to grab, shoot, I gotta grab my 14mm wrench and a screwdriver because I do want to install a fresh little JDM part for you guys. Where the heck is my... Alright, let's see. Screwdriver is good. My 14mm wrench. It's gonna be such a nice day to cruise out. Oh my god, there's about to be, bitch, there's gonna be some sick cars out. I'm super happy. I have my GoPro today and my head mount. I did race a 2016 or a 2017 Subaru WRX. It was last week. I was coming home and it was him and his buddy in the car, and they pulled up alongside of me. I don't know what was done for mods, but I'm pretty sure it had an intake and exhaust and maybe a light tune, but it was really a really good race, guys. Like, we were head to head for a little bit, and then I started to pull and I got about a half a car to a car on him maybe. So this thing just impresses me in all aspects, guys, and I'm still running the stock exhaust, which is absolutely crazy. So I don't know if it's the base map or whatever, so I can only imagine what this thing would be like if it's tuned. I can only imagine how this car would be with more bolt-ons, maybe a little bit of head work, and a legit dyno tune. But who knows when I'll get that, guys. Yeah. Suicide if we ever try to let me go. Yeah, I'm sad to know, yeah. I'm lost and I'm found, but it's torture. Just gotta get some gas real quick. As you guys can see, look at that ugly price right there. $349 for premium, dude. I don't know, man. I might have to sell this car, guys. I might have to do it. All about that $10 life right there. $10. And there's my school. Glad I'm not stuck in a classroom today, guys. Seriously. Look at that. pulling into the washy wash. Oh, I mean Waterworks. Waterworks. Do you guys think that's a corny ass name? We got the Waterworks, boy. Let's see, what do I feel like spending? Do I feel like spending? I think I'm gonna do the Ultimate because it's like right in the middle kind of, so. Take my $10. Oh, we'll put another $2. Look at this, I'm rich, guys. I'm loaded. All these ones, all these $1.
Please select your wash package.
All right, so I did want to fill you guys in as well. I am back at work now, so I'm part-time, kind of in a way, until next month, where I'm going to be going back to full-time. So I'm going to be getting some pretty decent jobs where, you know, I might be potentially making, and I'm not even trying to sound like cocky or anything, but, you know, almost 40 bucks an hour, 50 bucks an hour. So prevailing wage jobs, that's going to be sweet. I'm already pricing out parts for a rebuild, and a lot of you guys are like, yo, go K24, you know, go K24 bottom end. Honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna go K24 bottom end. I would rather, I think, keep just the Z and, you know, build that. So I have all my parts already picked out that I want to go with for the head. I'm most likely gonna build the head first if this thing craps out on me, and deck the whole thing out. So I'm really looking to see what this thing can get for power with like camshafts, you know, freaking valves, springs, titanium retainers, and it's gonna be dope. All right, so let's see how this thing came out right now. Well, honestly looks way better than it did, but I still need a nice buff job on this thing. One racer who revs his car at the car wash. This Camaro Z28. We're gonna race him. He was cool about it too. Ah, it's a cop. Whether or not I should install this right now. I think I'm gonna hold off and make you guys wait until the next video. So I'm gonna install the shift boot in the next video, as well as another mod that I just ordered for 20 bucks. So it's super cheap. It actually serves a purpose, and it's gonna make the whole car look sick, man, in the front end. So hint, hint. Let me know if you guys know what it is. It's a cheap little JDM mod, so that should be coming in soon, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Show some love down below. Like, subscribe for more content with the K series, and we will all see you in the next video. Peace out. Just got out of my car, guys, to come back here and see this. Bro, this whole thing is like rusting out underneath. Oh man, still kind of wish I got a Subaru instead of a Honda, because I love the way they look. Nah, psych, I like the Honda way better.